We took off down the road for the world's longest yard sale 3 separate years. The whole goal was to find something new, fun, or unusual. And boy, did we find it.
Seriously, how does that fit in there?
We're going to show you the best of what we found those 3 years.
Is this a dental chair? What is this? Look at this guy. What's he made out of? What kinds of car parts, maybe? This is amazing. It doesn't have a for sale sign, but it does have a battery. So what does it do? It's got to do something. It's got a box that tells it what to do. Seriously, this is awesome. Look at that look. Wow, he means business. Definitely got a variety of things going on. I think we're going home with Frosty.
They're only $10.
$10.
They're like $50 in the store.
Wow.
So I'm going to get, hopefully, one of those snowmen when we come back.
Okay. We're getting a snowman. I'm just amazed at like the vinyl and DVDs that are out in this blazing sun. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees today. What is it? Is it a radio? I think it's an old radio, guys. It's got TV antennas on top. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a TV. We found out it works. It's a TV.
We could do that and do rag bra. Rag bra?
Rag
bra? Where's it in? Illinois?
No, Iowa.
Iowa.
435 miles across the state. Yeah.
That's really what you have to have. Because sometimes, I mean, you just can't do it all on your own. So.
No. This looks like a model for a rocking horse.
Look at
Like-
the whole base.
Doesn't even have a tail. It did have a tail, evidently. Wow, old-time rocking horse. Look at that. Can you see it? See how it's put together? The metal. This is something new. I have never seen this. And just plain old horse. Really had to use your imagination back in the day.
Look at the spark plugs on top.
Oh, that is cool.
The gate, the tailgate.
Tailgate from a Cushman.
I don't know what this is.
License plates. Jacks. It's made out of jacks. Is this a muffler? I think.
What are these? The tail,
Pieces of a bumper?
Piece of the bumper?
Like a
Look at the
caddy
keys.
bumper, maybe?
All the way down at the bottom.
And keys. This is just something you get because you don't have it. Mickey. I can't believe you're saying no to the pink power pony. In case you don't know what we're talking about, this is the pink power pony. I love this. What? I don't know what it is. It's got a socket for a light.
What's made out of everything? I mean, bulb, a node, what is that?
Very steampunkish, I guess. Two little red lights for the eyes. He's not happy. He needs someone to take him home. A putty tat. Look at this sign. The old bulb sign, like we saw in the sign museum.
Make some shoes.
Ooh. Are these shoe things? They are shoe things. Do you make shoes out of them?
They're the frames.
Okay. I don't think we can use those.
I don't think so either.
Just thinking out loud. We need this for the house.
No, we
For when
don't.
people come selling us stuff. It's oh yeah, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Like this guy. That's got to be someone kidding with you. That's got to be 1930s. Look over there. See all that traffic? They are lined up to get in here still. And the traffic just keeps coming. I think the one thing I like most about the 127 yard sale is you never know what you're going to find. Like, the uniqueness is just crazy. Like these sleds, a whole bunch of them.
If you wait long enough, you will find what you want to see.
What are these? 3D printed dragons and other collectibles. These look like they're made out of wood. But I guess they're not. Got a chief. We found another Bigfoot. You could literally spend hours out here, but it's steamy and we might have to be moving along. Once we find something really cool, I think we're going to keep walking. Just perusing, hoping. $325. I remember these when I was a kid. I don't think I wanted one, but I thought it was cool back then. I think we found another one. We tend to want to come to the bigger ones because they tend to have the cooler stuff. Had a good feeling about this one?
Oh, about this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this. It is huge. This is what we were looking for. Big and beautiful. Oh, that is cool. Quad. $135. That's cast iron. Remember this? We were about 10. You can imagine this is over 600 miles. Imagine trying to take all this in just a few days. You know it's going to be good when you start off with a horse trailer. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this table and this bike. This is the kind of stuff we were looking for. This old Singer sewing machine. No treadle on it. But look at that cord. That cord's at least 70, 80 years old. She's found the birdhouses with grasshopper.
It comes with its own grasshopper.
It's got a grasshopper on it. There you go, little fella. We'll leave you alone.
It's too cute.
This one, you can see the aging with the paper inside. Oh man, what a find. You found Chris. Chris sold us a birdhouse, and what do? You take down barns?
Yeah, we clean up barns.
And so you find stuff from the barns, and you've got this stuff. This is where you get all this cool stuff.
Right. Yeah,
This-
just a lot of old stuff.
Seriously, I saw this from the road, and I was going, oh, we gotta stop. And you've
Like
got some
this.
stuff like this locker. That could have to go home with us. Definitely got the birdhouse going home with us.
That's gonna look great in the backyard.
So is there a story on the birdhouse?
Not that I know of, other than it was just in the barn.
Okay. No special story, and we'll have to make up one. Just walking in the entrance, look at this, right here. Cigar Store Indian. Look at this old Maytag wringer washer. I think they call that a mangle where they put the clothes through. I remember these. Check this one out. Old metal tub and everything. That is awesome. All it needs is a fan belt. We're good to go. I guess that's for sale. Fire hydrant. Yeah, it's loose. You can have your very own fire hydrant for your best friend. The dog, not the other one. This can't be a real phonograph, can it? It is. An original phonograph with the megaphone. Look at that. You put the needle on the record, and I think they were like all 78 RPM back then. Tempo, speed. That's the power. You just crank it. Anybody know the year of this phonograph player? It's a metal record. It's Roy Rogers. Oh my goodness. And they're selling this? Broken, I bought it?
No, it just hangs on there.
I know. I wanted one of these so bad when I was a kid.
Look at the hose.
I know. It's got a hose. This, look. Now it looked totally ridiculous in it, so. And look at this guy. Is he happy or what? Looks like someone made a find. How does that fit in there? Seriously, how does that fit in there? Fishermen would love to tackle this one. What'd you find?
These coal bins. Coal bins.
Coal bins. Uh-oh.
See, the one I have is small for the fireplace, but
So you want another one, I take it?
no.
How about a milk can? We need a milk can.
I'd really love to have one of those.
Oh my goodness, look at this camp stove. This has got to be from the 20s or 30s. It is rusted to the max. Look at the handles. They're like, I think they're actually porcelain handles. Got to be a coal one. Milkshake. Hamilton Beach. Oh, that takes me back. Yes, I remember getting shakes like that. Original croquet set.
Yeah, I mean, it's all wood.
You can tell.
The balls are really, oh wow, those are extremely heavy.
Played this game a few times. Never won, but I, played. I played a lot of games in number one. What was that all about? Well, by the way, some bicycles had twin I-beam headlights.
Like this one. Every kid wanted those lights when they were a kid. When I was a kid, anyway. That's cool.
How many yard sales do you come across that have a spinning wheel? This is awesome. You want to play us a tune?
It's a traveling sideshow. Or revival organ.
I think we're a traveling sideshow. This is kind of cool though. A revival organ. I need to be revived right now. It's got the old pedal things for this. 95 bucks, and it's tiny. It's cute. They made 5, that's it?
And that was it because of the kids were getting thrown off of it.
Wow. Well, you better snap this up while you can. A merry-go-round for your house. This is what we need, hon, right here. We could,
$575.
wait a minute, that is $400 less than the Greyhound sign?
Oh, I don't know. How much is the Greyhound sign?
It was like $900.
Oh, yeah. You just need a
Wow.
horse.
We're gonna have a whole buggy. Take me back in time. Look at this old erector set. Guys, this is original with the instruction book. When I was a kid, you got this to learn how to build buildings. Truly out of metal. Oh. But I could never afford one of these. Now I could have one in the original metal box. These pictures give you an idea of what you can make. Just let your creativity open up and go to town. Start putting things together. Don't tell me you're interested.
No.
This thing is huge. I don't even think I could get on it. I mean, I could squeeze a little, horn, but I mean, and they look homemade. These are metal. That's like
Oh, wow.
that's a ring. Well, does that look like a thing that could take a finger off really quickly? Come on. Just makes you smile, doesn't it? Right here. It's a giraffe on a tricycle.
Oh, that is too cute.
I knew you'd like it. Can you see it over there? Is that a childhood dream right there?
Hot right now. Hold on. I'm burning down.
It's cool, but yeah, it's still stuffy, guys.
Yeah.
And you found something you wanted from your childhood?
Well, I have one just like it, but it's miniature.
Yeah, but this, yeah, the one you had was like 4
I couldn't
feet
even
tall.
get on this thing.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. Look at this. I'm 6'2". Where are you going to put this? A barn? Wait a minute. You got to see the dental chair. Is this a dental chair? Look at this. It's got like, what is this? Oh wow! If you're ready for Halloween, 127 yard sale is ready for you. What's it? Cazadores?
Around the corner.
It exactly is.
What is this?
It's actually a tequila display.
It's a tequila display.
I saw it on Facebook.
Like they would have like the box in a store. They would have the box of tequila in front of it.
Okay, it's more like a tequila display.
Okay, here we go again. They're starting to really stack up now.
You're not gonna believe this, guys. We found an Amish yard sale. Horse, buggy, Amish people, everything. We got to go down and check this out. People are excited about this one too, in case you're wondering. Dollar General store. I don't know how many people are actually shopping there, but I know how many people are here for this yard sale. Somebody scored a Pac-Man. Everything. Anything. It's all these cabinets, right?
Yeah, yeah. Nightstands.
Out of trees, obviously. Logs.
Hi.
I'm going to the Amish parking lot.
Oh, okay. Well, you
Look at
go
this.
right ahead.
Look at this, guys. That is so cool. Just to see all those buggies and horses together. We don't ever get to see something like that. This should be interesting. I'm kind of torn how I feel about these. Yeah, this is definitely for those of you who like something different. Now, they glittered some of the skulls, it looks like, but
It's not glitter, it's actually saran wrap. Okay, you talked to the man.
I did.
How much were they?
The ones hanging on the fence are 100, and the ones laying on the ground are 175.
And of course, with every yard sale, you gotta have a funnel cake. Yeah. You get no funnel cake.
No.
Because we've had the pretzel now, and
You know, we ate really good for lunch.
We
it
have.
was just
So,
cheese and crackers.
cheese crackers, and no funnel cake, sorry. Yeah, just saying.
No funnel cake for you.
Guy at the funnel cake thing says, "Don't film me, I'm a wanted man." We kind of freaked out for a
No,
second.
you freaked out. I heard him
I'm
start
like,
laughing.
is this guy serious? I don't know. He goes, I'm just kidding. Fun on the 127 yard sale. You thought it was all about stuff. So what was your favorite find today? Let us know down in the comments and get ready. New longest yard sale adventures coming up. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the link, and we'll catch you next time. I'm Batman.